Alright. So the topic of today's video will be how to improve your profile with preparing for CAT or after your graduation. So yeah, let's start it. I have a bonus point at the last of the video, so stay tuned for that. So let's start it. The first point will be get work experience. The main thing would be to get work experience and prepare work alongside your job. You can say that. So get work and get a job, whatever you can, and prepare alongside it, because work experience directly correlates to your CAT admission, MBA school and college admission, because it has points. Work experience, the more work experience you have, the more points you get, and after 3 years it start to diminish. 3 years is the peak. So by doing this you can have a safety window, like you're working, right? So if this year CAT doesn't get CAT scores are not that good, you can attempt it again. At that time your work experience will be more, so you will get more points. So main thing would be get a job and start preparing side by side. The next point would be, I know the market condition is very tough, and if you have just graduated from your college, so try to find some internships. You can get it here and there by some referrals or join some local institutions. Try to join some internships to cover your gap. You can also do some courses or do volunteering in some NGOs, this and that, to improve your profile while preparing for CAT hand in hand. But remember this, guys, you have taken, I guess, if you're not working, you didn't get a job, then most probably you have taken a drop, right? So don't do any of these internships, courses, volunteering, any of this at the cost of your CAT prep. See, remember, if you don't clear CAT, all these internships will be of no use. All these courses, volunteering, all will be of no use. So first, your focus should be to clear CAT, and everything else should be the secondary. Let me tell you, see, if you did all of this internships, this, that, and created your profile like a best profile, but you didn't clear cutoff for CAT itself, you didn't score well in CAT, so what is the use of that? You can do everything of this after CAT is done. There are 2 to 3 months you can prepare for GDPI, and also hand in hand you can do all this stuff. So don't worry about that. Focus on CAT, give it your best shot. You have taken a gap, right? So make sure it counts. Don't slack off or do rubbish. Yeah, I guess you get it what I'm trying to say. Case scenario would be like, you didn't did these courses and any of this courses, internships and any of this, and yet you scored well in CAT and you got a GDPI call. After that you can do all of these things, right? But you can do this. There are very low percentage of people who can pull off both, like prepare for CAT also and do all of these things. If you can do it, it's well and good for you. But if you can't, make sure you score well first and do everything else after it. So this will be my suggestion for you guys, and that's it for today, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.